to me. No one in your Ulinibeba ufala sana. Yani I wasted my prime years now. When I've done so much for you, I've built you, yani from scratch. Imagine when you manga nyoba 6 in the morning, gaso kata yiresia waine, nige natugena muturire mwega, ni nawe nasiana sito. Then I'm met by disappointment. Your wife does not have a womb. Surely. Yani imagine when I've wasted a whole 5 years already, a whole 5 years. Hata MAKOTHE. Tara Simon Nyomoi. Simon enasiana yire. What about me? I have none. I have nothing. Well, I have built you. Umata. Walk out and never come to my life again. I never go. You see her? Talk away in there anymore. Let me get to Go!